Welcome to English Conversations Hub. In today's video, we bring you a powerful office conversation between a manager and an employee. The manager initially blames the employee for an error, but the employee stays calm and explains his side of the story. This conversation is perfect for improving your spoken English, learning how to stay professional in tough situations, and expanding your vocabulary in workplace settings. So let's start. What is this, Alex? I just got an email from the client saying the report was full of errors. This is unacceptable. I understand you're upset, but could I explain what happened? Go ahead. But I don't see what explanation could justify this kind of mess. So, I did double check the report before sending it over. But when I checked the version the client received, it wasn't the final file I had saved. Then, how did the wrong file get sent out? I think the file that went out was from a shared folder. I had edited a copy on my system and saved the final version locally, but it looks like the automated system picked the earlier draft. Why would you save it locally if you knew the final version had to be submitted through the shared drive? Because I was still making corrections. I didn't want to overwrite the shared version until I was completely done. I was planning to update it, but I got pulled into that urgent call with the marketing team. Still, you should have updated the shared file. That's what we've discussed in the process meetings, I know, and I take full responsibility for that part. But I want you to know I didn't intentionally send an incorrect report. I've already sent the correct version and apologized to the client. Okay, I guess I jumped the gun a bit. I was just frustrated because this could have affected our relationship with the client. Totally get that. And I've scheduled a follow-up call with them tomorrow to walk them through the correct data, just to make sure there's no confusion. All right, thanks for handling that. I'll be honest. At first, I thought you were being careless, but I can see now that wasn't the case. Appreciate that. And moving forward, I'll be extra careful with file versions. I'll even suggest a quick checklist process before final submission. That would help. I don't want to micromanage, but things like this make a big difference in how we're seen externally. Absolutely. Lesson learned on my end, too. Thanks for hearing me out. Okay, let's move on. You've got this. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.